How to fix a hot tub leak around the jets. If you found your hot tub leaking at one of the jets, follow these simple steps to fix it. Step 1, turn off the hot tub breaker. Drain the hot tub water below the jet that's leaking. Once the water is below the jets, you can stop draining it. If you can, remove the hot tub jet. Remove the nut from the jet. Push the jet body into the tub area. Clean off the old silicone and the dirt. Use a waterproof silicone and go around the edges. Be very generous with it. You can always clean it off. Now you're going to pull the jet back in. Now there's going to be some jets, some tubs, you're going to have somebody else in the inside of the tub to kind of hold it there for you, like push it in and hold it while you're doing all this stuff, like put the silicone on, put the nut on. But for this one here, I just pull it by myself and I'm going to silicone it. Now I'll link the silicone down below, and always use a waterproof silicone. Once you have the silicone on in the inside, you can start putting the nut on. When you use your tool to tighten it, make sure that you don't over tighten it, just snug. Just clean up all the silicone that's squeezed out after you put the jet in. Do the best you can. It's just that the most important stuff is underneath where that lip is. So if there's anything on the shell, it will eventually flake off. You can just pull it off, and as long as we get it all squeezed out in between, that's why I put lots of silicone in. It just squeezes everywhere, and it just makes a new gasket.
This stuff will flake off, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Just do the best you can. Then you put the jet back on and let set for about 24 to 72 hours. 24 hours should be good. Then you can fill it back up.
It's 24 hours later and it cured pretty good, so I'm going to start filling it. Fill the hot tub back up. Turn the GFCI breaker back on. And enjoy your hot tub.